Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the realm of personal development and motivation. Our first stop? The power of mindset. You see, mindset is not just a buzzword, it's the bedrock of our existence, shaping our perception of reality. It's the lens through which we view ourselves and the world around us. Let's break it down into two primary mindsets: the fixed and the growth mindset. A fixed mindset is like being in a room with closed doors, believing that our abilities and talents are static, that they can't be changed or developed. It's a mindset that limits, constrains, and ultimately hinders growth. On the other hand, a growth mindset is like being in a room with open doors. It's the belief that our abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. It's understanding that brains and talent are just the starting point, that learning, growth, and resilience are the keys to unlock those doors of potential. But how do we cultivate this growth mindset? It all starts with believing in our capacity to learn, to adapt, to overcome. It's about acknowledging that we are works in progress, that our journey towards success is filled with constant learning and adaptation. So let's challenge ourselves to shift our mindset. Let's replace the word failing with learning, change problems into opportunities, and transform limitations into possibilities. Because the power to shape our reality lies within us. Remember, success starts in the mind. Now let's move on to goal setting. Success is like a road trip. You need a map. But what does that map look like? It's a tangible representation of your dreams, aspirations, and objectives. It's your personal blueprint for success. So how do you create this map? The first step is to clearly define your goals. Be specific, be precise. Instead of saying, I want to be successful, say, I want to become a renowned author, or I aim to run my own thriving business. The more specific you are, the clearer your destination becomes. Next, break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Let's say your goal is to run a marathon. You wouldn't just start by running 26 miles on day one, would you? Of course not. You'd start with a mile, then 2, then 3, gradually building your stamina over time. Similarly, when it comes to your goals, start small. Each small victory will fuel your motivation and bring you one step closer to your ultimate objective. Finally, keep track of your progress. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small. Each task you complete, each milestone you achieve, is a step closer to your goal. It's these small victories that give you a sense of direction and a feeling of accomplishment. Remember, the journey to success is a marathon, not a sprint. There's no rush. Take your time, enjoy the process, and celebrate each victory along the way. This not only gives you direction, but also a sense of accomplishment as you check off each milestone. No success story is without obstacles. Indeed, challenges are as much a part of our journey as our goals. They are the testing grounds where we prove our mettle, our resolve, our determination. Rather than seeing challenges as roadblocks, embrace them as opportunities for growth. Each challenge presents a unique lesson that can only be learned through experience. When we stumble upon a setback, it's crucial that we don't let it discourage us. Instead, let's take a step back, analyze the situation, and extract the wisdom it has to offer. These lessons become our guiding light, illuminating our path and helping us navigate future hurdles more skillfully. Perseverance is the key here. The journey to success isn't always a smooth one, but it's the bumps in the road that make the destination so rewarding. It's not about how many times we fall, but how many times we get back up. Learn from setbacks and keep pushing forward. Consistency is the secret sauce of success. It's a simple yet profound concept. It's not about making giant leaps every single day. Instead, it's about taking small, consistent actions that inch you closer to your goals. Think of it as watering a seed. You won't see a plant spring up overnight, but with consistent care and attention, that seed will slowly but surely grow and flourish. That's the power of consistency. And let's not forget about habits. They're the building blocks of consistency. Develop habits that align with your goals. For instance, if your goal is to write a book, make it a habit to write a little every day. If your goal is to run a marathon, consistently train and build up your endurance. Remember, success is not a sprint. It's more like a marathon, a long, enduring journey. And in this journey, every step you take, no matter how small, counts. Success is a marathon, not a sprint, and each step forward counts. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's a part of it. Now that might sound a bit counterintuitive. After all, isn't failure exactly what we're trying to avoid? But here's the kicker. It's the failures, the stumbles, the slip-ups that provide us with the most valuable lessons. Every time we fall, we gain a clearer understanding of what doesn't work, and this knowledge helps us refine our approach. It's like navigating a maze. Each dead end brings us one step closer to the exit. Failure also teaches us resilience. It's like building a muscle. The more we face and overcome setbacks, the stronger we become. We learn to adapt, to persevere, to keep going even when the odds are stacked against us. So don't fear failure, embrace it. Treat each setback as an opportunity for growth, a stepping stone on your path to success. After all, it's through the stumbles that we learn to stand tall. So remember, use setbacks as stepping stones toward success. Never stop learning. This mantra is a powerful tool in the journey to success. But why is continuous learning so important? Well, think of it this way. We live in a world that's always changing, always evolving. Industries shift, technologies advance, and societal norms transform. To keep up, to adapt, and to thrive, we must be willing to learn and grow with these changes. Continuous learning isn't just about keeping up with the world around us, though. It's about personal growth and self-improvement. Every piece of new knowledge, every skill you acquire, is a step forward on your path to success. It's about becoming a more well-rounded individual, capable of facing new challenges with confidence and competence. Learning is not confined to the four walls of a classroom, it extends far beyond that. From books that challenge our perspectives to courses that equip us with new skills, to experiences that test our limits and push us out of our comfort zones, opportunities to learn are everywhere. In this digital age, we have a wealth of information at our fingertips. Online courses, webinars, podcasts, and even social media platforms can be invaluable resources. But remember, the goal of continuous learning is not to know everything. It's to understand that there's always something more to learn, always room for improvement. So keep that curiosity alive. Embrace the joy of learning. Whether it's through books, courses, or experiences, always seek opportunities to expand your understanding. After all, the pursuit of knowledge is a journey that never truly ends, and it's this journey that leads us to success. Your environment plays a crucial role in your success. Imagine yourself as a plant. To grow, you need the right soil, sunlight, and water. In the same way, you need an environment that nurtures your aspirations and fuels your motivation. Having positive influences around you, those who inspire and uplift you, can make a world of difference. They radiate optimism, fostering a mindset that anything is possible. These are the cheerleaders in your life, the ones who believe in your potential, even when you're filled with doubt. Beyond that, build a supportive network. Surround yourself with individuals who not only share your vision, but also challenge you to reach new heights. They are your sounding board, your source of constructive criticism, and your well of encouragement. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Success is often a shared experience, a collective effort. It's about growing together, learning from one another, and celebrating each other's victories. Success is often a team effort. As you progress on your journey, don't forget to celebrate your achievements no matter how small. Each step forward is a win. Each milestone is a testament to your dedication and resilience. So take a moment, pause, and give yourself a pat on the back. Why, you ask? Because acknowledging your own hard work fosters self-respect and self-appreciation. It's a nod to your determination, your grit, and your perseverance. However, celebration is not just about recognition, it's about motivation too. Each time you celebrate, you're not just rewarding your past efforts, but also fueling your drive for the future. It's like saying, "Well done, me. Let's see what else we can achieve." It's a positive reinforcement, a cycle of success that feeds on itself. But remember, it's not just about celebrating big wins. It's about cherishing small victories too. Completed a task you've been putting off? Celebrate. Managed to stick to your routine for a week? Celebrate. Finished a book you've been meaning to read? Celebrate. Each of these are achievements in their own right. And finally, let's not forget to celebrate the process itself. The late nights, the early mornings, the triumphs, the failures, the moments of doubt, and the moments of clarity, they all form a part of your unique journey to success. So celebrate them, cherish them. After all, it's these experiences that shape you, that make you who you are. Celebrate the process, not just the outcome.